something that launched quite recently is Squarespace's Beacon AI. Now, it's cool. I think it's got a lot of room to grow. But one thing that it does make easier is filling out all of your site's SEO on Squarespace. So what I'm going to do is show you a quick example of how you can use Beacon AI to optimize the SEO and the AIO of your website. Now, on our site here, all I need to do is hit SEO/AIO. And then you'll see, okay, we're in the SEO dashboard. And I don't know if you saw that lovely sort of glimmer up top, but essentially, if you click on optimize, there you go, it's just done it again. Looks very fancy. It's going to analyze all the content on your site, and it's going to give you a ton of metadata for your pages, first of all, and then it can do your images as well. So basically, it's gone through, it's looked at the context of the site, and it's written all of these meta descriptions for each page. But if you look at this and you think that makes no sense whatsoever, you can either regenerate. So I've clicked regenerate and it will write something else for me. Or you can go in and you can manually override this, which is a nice touch. So let's imagine you're completely happy. We'll go on to page 2 by clicking next. And then what it's going to do is it's going to generate meta descriptions for all your pages as well. Now, sometimes it doesn't always get it right. Let's say, I think 2 girls playing guitars sitting near a wooden window with green trees outside. That to me looks pretty correct. But we've had, like, some people have put examples in where they'll put like a circle in, just like a black circle, and it will be like, I don't know, 3 curtains closed over the sea, or just complete gobbledygook. So it's always good to check this, use your own eyes. And if you want to, go in and edit this a little bit more for SEO, as opposed to, or as well as the descriptive text that it adds, then you can also go in and do that. Same as the pages as well, you can regenerate. And there you can see. Okay. Now, once I'm happy, I click save. And it's going to give me an SEO score. So you can see before this, the SEO score, I think, was about 6% or something like that. It would tell me the issues with the site, how many images had alt text, how many pages had metadata, and then it's going to give me a bit of education around how to prepare for the era of AI search. There's a few more bits and bobs. So it'll give you a checklist, but this isn't really AI. This is the main thing that Squarespace is pushing right now, is Beacon AI. So as I say, I think there's a lot more that I can do, but this is a nice step in the right direction to use in conjunction with, your own brain. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.